Oh my god! Man, this thing looks gnarly. What the?
Oh my god. How do you do that? That's a sick. What the fuck?
That is sick.
I did.
Man, the park dried off pretty fast. Oh, you good, bro? It's because you live by this park, bro. Yeah, Mike. Welcome, travelers, to the car draw of the day. We're gonna observe some artwork. Let's see what artwork we draw for today. First card of the day is a plains. Man, this one looks awesome. This one looks like beacons to follow. Number 2, got unknown shores, intriguing. Number 3, ooh, ethereal armor. Man, this one looks gnarly. This one reminds me of the armor of God. 4, ooh, spirit of the earth. This one reminds me of Proverbs 28:1. The wicked flee, though no one pursue, but the righteous are as bold as a lion. Number 5, oh, interesting. We got the peculiar revelation card with a apocrypha Bible verse. Many are in high place and of renown, but mysteries are revealed unto the meek. Ecclesiasticus 3:19. Got Sigarda, fonts of blessings. Number 7. Oh, we got glory. This one reminds me of the angels in the anime of Evangelion for some reason. It's really cool. For the last card, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the last card of the day, interesting, spiritual sanctuary. I haven't drawn that one in a long time. Kind of looks like there's a little cross in there, huh? It's weird. Anyway, that is the card draw of the day at the skate park, which it got rained out, so a lot of people left. Verse of the day. Oh, these clouds look amazing. What the... So I get most of my clips just on this painting easel. And my buddy Squirrel 3'd out of this thing one time. Look at this thing. It's called the Tombstone. Yeah, dude. Woo!
Yeah!
Congratulations to Jim, landing his first whip.
Yes. I'm off, you know.
Oh, I'm so